In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you all how to use the Smart View feature of your Samsung A21s phone and connect it to your Samsung Smart TV. And of course, before you continue, be sure that both these devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi router in order for this to work. So let's start off with using the TV itself. We'll do a few setting changes here. And if you have your remote, go ahead and press on the source button. So the source button should be to the top right here, and press on that. And then you want to go over to where it says connection guide. So just hover over to that, and then you'll enter into that there. When you enter into that, you will see this connection guide menu there, and you want to go to where it says smartphone. So go to that. So just use the control there, enter into that, then go to where it says screen sharing, that one there, enter. You will have this connection guide prompt there, and just go over and enter into setup now. And as you enter into that, you will see the device list layout here. And now is when we're going to go into our A21s phone here. Let me just zoom in a little bit so you can see what's going on. So on our A21s here, you can use the quick panel access, and you are looking for the feature known as Smart View. So if it's not there, you can just go over there. You should see it here, Smart View. You will long press it, and that's going to take you straight into this area here, the main setting of the Smart View for your A21s. And once you see the Samsung name TV appear here, just go ahead and tap on it one time, and it's going to give you this prompt here. You want to select Start Now, and it's going to say it's connecting, and just pay attention to your TV there. You should see a prompt saying allow, deny, or close. So of course you want to use your control here and select allow so that this could connect. And once all has been said and done, you should have this presented in front of you there like that. Okay, so you can change the aspect ratio on your phone if you want to, or just cancel that if you decide to do that. And of course, you have this little pop-up menu on the phone itself when you tap there that will give you the Smart View options such as pause, share, change the phone aspect ratio, and also disconnect if ever you decide to do that. Now, if you want to have your device appear in landscape mode, be sure to have the auto rotate enabled, which is that right there. Hopefully you can see it on the TV itself. So just use the quick panel access. You'll see auto rotate. Make sure that's turned on. And now if you do decide to go into any app, whatever app it is, and you put it into landscape on how strong your Wi-Fi connection is. If you have very weak Wi-Fi connection, you'll notice there's a lot of blur and a lot of lag and all that. But if it's really strong, then you shouldn't have any issues at all. All right. So if this tutorial was helpful in any way, please do hit that like, share, sub, and of course, thanks for watching.